3 raised to the power of x minus 4 is equals to 5 raised to the power of x minus 4. Find the value of x. Solution: 3 raised to the power of x minus 4 is equals to 5 raised to the power of x minus 4. Divide both sides by 5 raised to the power of x minus 4. 5 raised to the power of x minus 4. 5 raised to the power of x minus 4. This cancels this, we have 1. Look at this. The powers are equal, so we can write 3 over 5 raised to the power of x minus 4 equals to. Now, we are going to adjust the right hand side in such a way that we have the common base. And for that to happen, we can only write 3 all over 5. If we raise to the power of 0, we have 1. So the base are now equal, which means the powers must be equal. X minus 4 will be now equals to 0. And x is going to be 0 plus 4, which is going to be 4. Bye.